How much should you actually spend on a truck bed rack? There are budget options out there, but are they really worth it? It's interesting how a higher price tag doesn't always guarantee better quality. Product number 1, PAMAZY Heavy Duty Cargo Net. First up, we have the PAMAZY 4X6 Heavy Duty Cargo Net priced at $40.58. What caught my attention is its impressive design with 10 thick cords, which is perfect for keeping your cargo secure. If you want a reliable way to hold your gear in the truck bed, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The upgraded thickness means it can distribute weight better so it won't snap under pressure. It stretches from 4x6 to a whopping 8x12, making it versatile enough for anything from luggage to tools. Plus, with steel carabiners included, you won't have to worry about plastic hooks breaking. And let's be real, over 200 of these nets have been bought in just the past month, which shows people are really trusting this product. Now, some people complained that it can be a bit tricky to secure tightly. Here's the thing though, as long as you take a moment to ensure everything is fastened down properly, it holds up well. For those who need something quick and easy, it might take a little extra time, but it's definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you frequently haul items and need peace of mind about them staying put. Skip this one if you're looking for something purely for aesthetic purposes, as it's all about functionality. For $40, the value you get here is solid. Product number 2, JY Performance Truck Ladder Rack. Next on the list is the JY Performance Truck Ladder Rack, priced at $138.24. The standout feature is its impressive 800 pounds capacity, which is great for heavy-duty needs. If you're after a rack that won't buckle under pressure, this is a serious contender. It's constructed with heavy-duty steel that's black powder-coated for durability. What's cool is that it includes rope hooks on all 4 uprights, giving you a secure way to tie down whatever you're hauling. With over 100 units sold recently, it seems to be gaining traction among truck enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The added stability from the material means you can transport ladders or lumber with confidence. However, I did notice some users found the installation a bit cumbersome. That being said, if you have basic tools and some patience, the no drilling feature compensates for it. So if you're not the most seasoned DIYer, it might take longer than expected, but it's not a deal breaker, especially for the durability. This is perfect for you if you frequently transport heavy items and need something robust. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or easy to remove, as it's designed to stay put. For its capacity and build, it offers great value. Product number 3, YZONA Universal Truck Bed Ladder Rack. Now let's talk about the YZONA Universal Truck Bed Ladder Rack, priced at $190.24. What really caught my eye is its universal compatibility, fitting most truck beds from 46 to 71 wide. If you want versatility in your setup, this one's worth checking out. The tube crossbars offer better load distribution, which is crucial for stability during transport. The rust-resistant coating is also a huge plus for longevity. It's already sold over 50 pieces this month, reflecting its growing popularity. Here's why this matters. If you're transporting long items, having that extra stability is essential for safety on the road. That said, some reviewers mentioned it could be heavy to install alone. Here's the thing though, if you have a buddy to help, it makes the process smoother. If you're comfortable with a little teamwork, it's really not a concern. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable rack that can handle various loads with ease. Skip this if you have a smaller truck, as it might not fit securely. Overall, it's a solid investment for the features it offers. Product number 4, Habuska Truck Ladder Rack. Coming in at $126.82, we have the Habuska Truck Ladder Rack. This one's all about compatibility, fitting most truck beds from 46 to 71 wide. If you're looking for a reliable, adjustable option, consider this one. It boasts an 800 pounds load capacity, which means it can handle a good amount of gear securely. The powder-coated finish is also designed to resist rust, which is always a bonus for outdoor adventures. By the way, it has a good reputation, with many buyers appreciating its ease of use. Here's why this matters for you. If you want something that works well without a lot of hassle, this is a great choice. On the flip side, a few users found that it might not fit with certain truck accessories like toolboxes. But honestly, if you don't have those additional features, it's a non-issue. It's designed to be flexible and adaptable. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy rack that's easy to install and use. Skip this if your truck is already fitted out with special accessories. For the price, it provides excellent functionality. Product number 5, LMYYGOO Universal Aluminum Truck Bed Rack. Last but not least, we have the LMYYGOO Universal Aluminum Truck Bed Rack, priced at $266.35. This one caught my attention with its adjustable height and length, making it super versatile for various cargo types. If you need flexibility, this one's worth a look. The adjustable height means you can tailor it to your specific needs, whether you're carrying bikes, kayaks, or tents. The T-slot design also aids in load stability, which is essential for safe transportation. It's impressive that this rack has a solid reputation for being reliable. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who values customization for different loads, this rack has your back. However, a downside is the higher price point compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you frequently carry different types of cargo, that flexibility can save you hassle and money in the long run. So, while it costs more upfront, the value it brings can justify the price. This is perfect for you if you frequently transport a variety of items and need a reliable, adjustable solution. Skip it if you're on a tighter budget and need something basic. All things considered, it's a solid investment for what you get. To wrap it all up, we looked at 5 solid truck bed racks. The PAMAZY Cargo Net is great for securing smaller items, while the JY Performance Rack is perfect for heavy-duty loads. The YZONA offers versatility, the Habuska provides ease of installation, and the LMYYGOO is all about adjustable options. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best before making a purchase.